I'm going to show you an easy way to add a shadow underneath this spider like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and disable this, create a new layer. Now let's locate the spider layer. So that's right here. Hold Control, select the layer. It will make a selection around it. Go to the layer that we created. We're going to fill that in with black. So just make sure the foreground color is black. Shortcut will be Alt Backspace, Control D to deselect, and you can see it's right there. Now all you have to do is do Control T, right click, click on Warp. Now I bring that down like that. Bring that up like that. Make sure that part's touching. Hit Enter, and just bring the opacity down, say about 45. So here's the before, after.